Okay, YouTube, in this video, I'm going to be going through the step-by-step process of me building the Starlight ceiling in this beautiful mansion. In this house, we're going to be doing the Starlight ceiling in 2 rooms. First, the basement, which is the theater room, then upstairs and his daughter's room. So we're going to start with the upstairs first because it's going to be the easiest. In this one, we're going to have it suspended. Also with LEDs going around for a halo effect. As you see, we got everything built here looking good. The most difficult part was going around the fan in the middle, but with precise measurements, we made it happen. Here's a sneak preview before we snipped all the fibers. And here's how it look at night. We got 4 shooting stars going through it. Let me do a quick walk around so you can get multiple angles. And I love how it came out. Definitely very beautiful. Now let's get on the downstairs. This one was a little more difficult because he wanted the panels flush with the ceiling. Those white boards, those are going to be our panels. We made 4 and they're going to be held up by screws and magnets. Okay, now that we have everything built, I wanted to come outside and enjoy the view. The customer's mansion had a lake in the back. Okay, so now let's go in and show you the finished product of the basement. We just finished cutting all the fibers. Here's another angle I'm going to show you before we turn the lights off. So we got a couple thousand stars in there. Shooting stars. And yes, these panels are held in by magnets. But we did put a couple screws in there for extra security. It definitely looks better in person. Customer was extremely happy. So now I'm about to head back upstairs real quick. I have to show you some more colors and angles of the suspended panel. As you see, we have the fan put back together. Let me go ahead and turn the lights off so we can get some different angles. Here's a nice multicolor feature. One last clip with the lights on. And before I end this video, gotta show you a few more angles of the basement. And just to let you know, we have Starlight panels for sale in many different sizes. Shipping is available. Also, if you're local in the Atlanta area and would like this installed in your car, home, bar, theater, club, or anywhere you want to add a special touch, please contact us for pricing. Let me know what you think about this build in the comment section. Please share this video and like and subscribe.